Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to hide completed tasks in Asana. If you're working on a busy project with tons of tasks piling up, hiding the completed ones can instantly declutter your view and help you focus on what actually needs to get done. Let's walk through how to set this up. First, go to your Asana web app and open the project where you want to hide completed tasks. This could be any project you're actively working on, whether it's a team collaboration board or a personal task list. Once you've got your project open, you'll see all your tasks laid out in front of you, including the ones you've already checked off. Next, look near the top of your task list toolbar and click on the Filter button. This button is your gateway to customizing exactly what you see in your project view. Clicking it will reveal a set of filter options that allow you to narrow down your task list based on different criteria. Under the filter options, you'll see a quick filter labeled Incomplete Tasks. Go ahead and select this option. As soon as you do, all your completed tasks will disappear from view, leaving only the tasks that still need your attention. This immediate shift makes it much easier to scan your project and prioritize what's next without getting distracted by everything you've already finished. Now, if you want to keep this setting active every time you open this project, there's one more optional step you can take. Click the Save View button on the top right corner of your screen. By saving this view, Asana will remember your preference and automatically filter out completed tasks whenever you return to this project. You won't have to manually apply the filter again unless you decide to change it later. And that's it. You've successfully streamlined your Asana project view by hiding completed tasks, making it easier to stay focused on what matters most. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.